What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another toolbox tour for your viewing pleasure. Pictured is a 46-inch Husky with 9 drawers. As you can see in the top drawer. So in the top drawer we have snap-on FMH8FE01B 3-hammer set, dark gray. In the back you see 2 Pittsburgh crowbars. In the center we have the M18 half-inch drive Milwaukee. And over to the left you got a set of Icon deep impact sockets. Starts from 10mm, goes all the way to 27. Next drawer we have snap-on ratchet. It's a brushless ratchet. This is CTR 861A. Looks like you got 3 batteries. Next to it we have, this is CT838. So back behind you got a set of Icon metric gallon sockets. It's like 3mm all the way to 10mm. In the back you got a few extended reach Pittsburgh gallon sockets. Over to my right we have a metric set of snap-on shallow impact sockets from 8mm all the way to 24. And it looks like we went ahead and wrote down the sizes so you can figure out which ones to get. And next to it we have a set of snap-on impact extensions 3/8 drawer. This box of drawers is soft close. Check it out. Next to it we have a set of Blue Point wrenches. But like most of these tools is metric. We got Blue Point 19mm all the way to 8mm. Set of files, snap on. See, we got a part number here. No, I don't see a part number. So in the back we have Pittsburgh 3/8 drive flex head ratchet, 3/8 1/4". Next drawer we have 2 miscellaneous hand tools. We got lockjaw adjustable pliers for a snap-on or Icon. Some Icon dikes, cutters if you will, buffer. Next drawer we have the snap-on screwdriver set and the foam organizer. And we got the gray to match the hammers. And this model number is FMSGD01B. Got a nice size brass punch back there. Next drawer we have looks like a junk drawer. Not gonna stay in that one. We go to this drawer. We have a fluid meter. Looks like an Icon adjustable pipe wrench in the back. A few Pittsburgh crowbars. Miscellaneous taps, drill bits. We got tap holders. SST. Never heard of them before. Let me know down in the comments, guys. SST, what you think about it? We have Bowen Set of socket adapters. It's an 8-piece set. Like you broke one of them. Let me know about warranty, guys. If you ever dealt with Bowen, B-O-E-N, let me know, guys. Yeah, this drawer. Down here we got some PPE, face shields, heat gloves, welding jacket. Ain't gonna worry about that. Like you got some chargers. Had a set of Icon mini screwdrivers, but yeah, since he got that Icon set is no good anymore. Don't need it, or don't have the room for it. So there you have it, guys. Husky 46-inch, 9-drawer. With a wooden top. Thanks for watching.